I really want to give you the room tour in this hotel. I stay in Apa Hotel. The location is in Niigata. That's a really very good room. Let's check it out. I'm feel hungry too, so I really want to go into some restaurant. Maybe I'm going to in some French restaurant. So check this out. Okay guys, that's the French restaurant. This is all full. Maybe because it's summer festival, so yeah, we need some reservation. But in usually we don't need it. So I think I should looking for another alternative because I really feel starving. And now, if you see at the back, that was the other citizens going to looking for firework festival, and now it's dark, so I'm sorry it's being dark this in here. Then after it, I'm going to firework festival. So how should I looking festive food. Sukiya. This is what I ordered, and now time to eat it. Curry with extra egg, and this is all about the condiment like a red ginger and chili powder, and it's all about the dressing and soy sauce. The egg. Okay, we are finished about the dinner too. I'm going to eat like this. It's all clean. So now it's time to go in the firework place right now. So keep following. So much people guys at the back. That was the fireworks enthusiasts. So now we sort of going back again, starting again. So I tried to finding some another dish like the kebab from Turkey. Let's check this out. That's about the schedule is right from the Monday and then from the Sunday. But unfortunately, in this kebab, the shop is they are have like in Monday. So if you want to go in here, you should be going here and from Tuesday and the Sunday. So this is open this here. Okay, guys, that was finished about the fireworks in Niigata. It's really unfortunately because I can't recording from the first till the end. I only can recording from the middle and the finish because before I was hungry, so I need to take a eating dinner at first. But that's kind of some mistake because I take a first dinner so I can get the best place to watching the fireworks in the Niigata. Yeah, I just try about it. I still can recording about the little bit of the firework at there. So yeah, at least I can show you this. So thank you so much for watching this video from the start till the finished. Then bye.